Right now I'm going to walk you through our app. So this is the basic view, and if you click there you can add a product, and then you type in the description of the product, like gauze, heavy duty gauze, and this is for hospitals to enter in wasted materials that they would be wasting but they can upload to this site. So the moment that they upload this, when they click submit your product, it's uploaded to our database. As you can see, Google Firebase, so that allows us to know that and update our warehouse people. As well as that, it's uploaded on the website. And if you click on that, it'll prompt you to be able to buy it. So you can enter your card number, you can enter like payment credentials, and then you can click to purchase a product. And then once the product's been purchased, it'll be not only updated on the database, it'll be removed from the database, but it'll also be updated on the site. That way we can keep track of that. Now I'm going to go into the code and talk a little bit about how I developed this using Firebase and React. So right now I'm going to discuss the code behind the app. So this is the first part of my React project, app.js. I import the other parts, and that gives me the path to the other pages. So it starts off on the home page because of the basic path of the slash. Now go to homepage.js. This is how it's set up, and it's related to the Firebase database in that it scrapes the database every time homepage is created, and it checks to see what's in the database, and it makes sure. So this is the Firebase itself, and this is initialized once. That way we don't overload the database. And go back to the home page. Yeah, it goes through and it checks every value in there, and then it adds a product based on those values. And since a database is an asynchronous call, I set a timer so that the value would be updated 1 second after. So it made sure that the database, it got the information from there before it updated. And then here's the add product part, and that leads us to the product class that I created. And right over here, the product class has a purchase window, so when you click on it, that purchase window method is activated, and that calls on the database and checks whether something's been clicked or not, and if it has, it opens purchase view. And this checks the clicked value again, and earlier it updated it, so once it checks the click value, if it has been clicked, it removes it from the database, and that's if you call on the purchase function, and that's called when you enter, after entering in your user credentials and your credit card number. And yeah, going back here, it updates, and the database is scraped again on the home page, and it gets rid of the old types of data that was removed. And then it goes full circle back to our add product, which is when you add on there and you click on there. When you submit the form, it checks every part of the form, and then it updates it to the database. So